Simplify. Three plus 17 divided by 2d. Solution. So we have 3 plus 17 divided by 2d. Now looking at this problem, we have 3 here. We can transform 3 in form of a fraction. And we can write this as what? 3 over 1. Now, what is the LCM of denominators? LCM of 1 and 2d. Since we have 1 here and there is 2d here, so automatically the LCM of 1 and 2d will give us 1 times 2d, and that is 2d. That is the LCM of denominators. Now, we write 2d here. What is the next thing to do? 2d divided by 1, we have 2d. 2d divided by 1, we have 2d. So we are going to have 2d times, what do we have initially at numerator, which is 3. Then plus 2d divided by 2d, that is 1. 1 times 17. So what do we have? 2d times 3, 2 times 3, that's 6. So we have 6d plus 1 times 17, we have 17 divided by 2d. Now, looking at the numerator, we have 6d and we have 17. These are the two terms. There is no common expressions for the two terms. So in that case, we cannot add them together. They will remain like that. So the final answer is 6d plus 17 divided by 2d. Thank you.